All right, so in this one, we are going to be adding a little bit of navigation to our site so we can log in, log out, see our posts, and just kind of navigate just slightly better than what we have right now, especially the log in, log out, and register functions. Those links are kind of important when it comes to creating this blog. So what we're going to do is jump into our base.html, and right above this container, we're going to add a OL class, so an unordered list class of breadcrumb. This is coming from Bootstrap itself, so this is a Bootstrap breadcrumb. And then we're just going to say li and a href equals to, and we'll leave that blank for now, and we'll just say home, close off the a, close off the li, and then we'll do li a href equals to, and again, posts, we'll just leave that, close off the li, and then we'll do another one, and we'll say a class equals to pull, or excuse me, not a class, but li class pull right, and we'll say a href again, and we'll say login. Close this off. We're going to copy this a couple times. So register, login, and finally log out. Save that, refresh, and now we have these three coming in. So of course, a log out is the only thing that we're going to want to see if the user is not authenticated. So we'll do a template tag if request.user.is authenticated. Or well, actually, instead we'll do if not, and then we'll put an else clause for log out, and if refresh, and now what we see is login, register. So let's use the URL tags that we have. So URL login, so that's the URL name, of course. URL register, URL logout, URL posts. So posts home, I think it might be, or it might be posts list. We'll have to check that. Home is also gonna just be the post list, right? It's actually the home, the post and home is the same thing. So we refresh in here. I did save these. It looks like that is the correct URL and namespace. And we could double check that by going into our URLs. We see that our posts is this right here. The namespace is posts. So we go into that post URL and we see list as the home page. Very good. So what we can do then is go back into our base. We actually don't need those two because they are duplicates. And then we can just do block, let's say post detail link in block. So the block post detail link will give us the actual breadcrumb as to where we are. So we can copy this and then go into our post detail, and just right at the very top, just like block head title, we're going to use that same sort of thing with post detail link, and we'll do li and then a href equals to. This is going to be, I believe it looks like it's going to be instance. So we'll do instance get absolute URL, and then we will say instance.title, close off the A, close off the li, save it, refresh, click on a post. Now we see it says new post, and there we go. Let's try the login link, and we do CFE, login. Now I have login, log out, homepage. I can click on the post, and there we go. Of course, you could use full-on navigation here and not use this breadcrumb style. I just thought it kind of went along with the cleanness of what we've been doing so far. All right, so that's it for this one. If you have any questions, let us know. Otherwise, let's keep going.